taking one simple example related to law of parallelogram. So here the question is given. In this question it is written that determine the resultant of a force system consisting of two concurrent forces having magnitude of 100 kilonewton and 60 kilonewton. The angle between them is 30 degrees. So, two forces are given which are concurrent. I will take here as a point. As per I have explained in the law of parallelogram, the major force will be P and the minor force will be Q. That's why I will take P here, which is 100 kilonewton, and 30 here Q, which is 60 kilonewton. Okay, the angle between them is 30 degree, and we need to find the resultant of a force system. Resultant means R. Let us guess that R will be somewhere here. And the angle between this will be alpha. We need to find this also, the placing of resultant force. Okay. Now, as per the formula of law of parallelogram, the formula is R is equal to under root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. So let's get the values of P and Q. P is 100, Q is 60. So here it will be 100 square plus 30 square plus 2 into 100 into 30 cos 30 degree. Okay. So the answer will be under root of 100 square plus 30 square sorry, plus 2 into 100 into 30. I'm sorry, my mistake. Q is 60 square. That's fine. I'm sorry, it's my mistake. 60. Here also 60. It's cos 30. So cos 30 into 60 into 100 into 2 plus 100 square plus 60 square. So the answer will be 2399.2.30. The under root of this, so means resultant is 154.8 kilonewton. That we have found. It will be here 154.8 kilonewton. We have find the resultant force. So R we have got 154.8 kilonewton. The another value where the R is situated. So we need to find the alpha value. As per the equation, tan alpha is equal to Q sin theta divided by P plus Q cos theta. Okay, so Q sin theta means 60 sin 30 divided by 100 plus 60 cos 30. So the answer will be sin 30 into 60, 30 divided by cos 30 into 60 plus 100 tan alpha. So 30 divided by answer So tan alpha is equal to 0.197. Okay, so alpha is equal to nothing but tan inverse 0.197, and then alpha we will got with shift tan inverse 11.16 degree. So the alpha is equal to 11.16 degree. It's a simple sum.